A robin is a pretty bird. It has a wrist. It has black wings. It sings a pretty song. A crow is pretty too. It is completely black. It is shiny black. A crow is a big bird. It is a smart bird. It is a ladybird. It watch people. People hand food. They threw food into garbage can. The crowd fly down to the garbage can. It walked around the edge of the can. It looked for something tasty. It hopped into the can. It picked out a potato chip. It flew into the tree. It ate the potato chip. Then it flew back to the garbage can. The robin sees the crow. The robin is hungry. It flies down to the garbage can. The crow yells at the robin. It says, "Get up here. This can is my cat." The robin fly back into the tree. The crow is a greedy bird. It doesn't like to share with others.